Please introduce yourself.
My name is Geraldine Bowie, 26 years old, married. My husband is Gilbert Tulyao, 22 years old. I have 2 children, 5 years old and 2 months old. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the fourth in the family.
Are you afraid of pets like dog or cats?
No, madam.
Do you have any experience working in other country?
I don't have any experience here in the Philippines. I don't have any experience in the other country, but here in the Philippines, I have. I know how to cook, clean the house, ironing and marketing. I took care 9 months old baby. I took care also 64 years old in 1 year.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, madam, but I'm willing to learn.
If you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children?
If I will go to Hong Kong, my family will take care of my children.
Do you like to work with other maids?
Yes, madam, I will.
Would you mind if your holiday will fixed by the employer?
Yes, madam.
Can you sing children's song?
Mama, kiss me, Papa, kiss me, for I know my ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Madam, if you hire me, you will not regret. I will do my very best to serve you. I am kind, hardworking, and responsible. Good day, madam.